What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you some fairly cool extensions to use. Alright, so let's get into the video. First, you want to go to extensions, which is how you get your extensions. And a cool one is, I can't type, GitLens. GitLens is basically just support for GitHub and your VS Code editor. So if you have friends, unlike me, then might be worth it. Another cool one, mainly just for looks, which maybe not for looks, but just makes it look better, which would still be for looks. But better comments. I don't know how to type. Better comments is basically adds just better comments. So again, improve your code by commenting and annotating with alert information to do's. So it adds like, oh hey, this does this. So I have something that gives you a header, and it's gonna do this. Really cool thing. Another cool thing is prettier. Again, basically just makes your code prettier. Another cool thing. But yeah, prettier, if it'll load. Fairly cool thing. Makes your code prettier. Formats it. All these little things. So basically, if you're working together, code can get fairly jangled and tangled up. So you use prettier, and it can kind of fix it for you. Another cool one. Not live server, Peacock. So again, subtly change the workspace color of your workspace. Ideal when you have multiple VS Code instances. So you have tons of different tabs. This can help you change it. Make it a little bit easier to navigate for your Windows. I don't know what I'm doing. I wonder what this is. Oh, just cool. Another cool one, live server. I talked about this one in the other video. It basically is a live server. Launch developmental local server with live reload feature. So like, if I'm a web developer, I can launch it, and when I run my code, it shows it like right here, like in this video right here. Basically describes it. Another one, since you're spending all your time coding and you don't have a life, VS Pets, literally just pets for VS Code. So they'll pop out, a little bit useless, I would agree, but a little cool thing. You never know. All these things, very cool, a little useless, but can be very helpful sometimes. Little thing, let me go into my code, that I would like to, with these things, you can also, I wanted to skip over this on the video, but right here you have all these things. So these are like your layout. And so I can do like primary sidebar, take that out, or secondary sidebar, I want that. I want bottom bar, activity bar, I can take that out. Menu bar, can have that. What does that do? I don't honestly know. Oh, it just has all your stuffs like that. So instead of it being like up here, it's right there, which is a really cool thing. All these things, fairly cool. And then once I like customize this like how I want it, then I have all my extensions. So I'm like, oh, I want my extension to be right here. I want this one to be right here, something like that. So I can have like my VS Code pets. Really cool thing. And then since right now you can see my stuff is not really working right now, I can go into my stuff. I can go into my extensions. Wait, no, not that. I don't know how to use this. I can go into my settings, and then I can do all the extensions, activate it, play with it, go into here, all these other cool things. So yeah, some fairly cool extensions that might help you. You might think they're useless. Anyways, that's all for the video.